Hey there, my foxy peeps. Yes, I have I have actually a movie going right now. But you can't really hear it now, but for the longest time, there is a squatting train outside my house. Right now. I'm going to show you. Mind you, it's like 2:30 in the morning. It's just sitting there. Oh no. There we go. It's just sitting there. Squatting train. Outside my house. Can't really zoom in on it. I don't know why it's... Oh, now it's backing up. Oh, it's going away. It's going away. Can you see it? Right there. It's really annoying right now. Because I got off of work, came home, don't mind my hair, because I just washed it. But I thought I'd share that with you. A squatting train outside my house at 2:30 in the morning. It was loud, I swear. I thought there was like a big old semi-truck sitting outside my house. So I had to go outside and look. Here it was a train. But anyway, thought you'd like to know.